Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Rumorist. आज जो फ़ोन हम आपके लिए अनबॉक्स करने जा रहे हैं वो है realme GT मास्टर एडिशन। I must tell you that this phone is going to disrupt the market, as the features that are being offered with this phone are definitely a flagship killer. So before going more into the details and specification, let's do the unboxing ताकि हमें पता चले कि हमें out of the box क्या क्या accessories मिल रही है। I love the phone personally and it's quite handy and सबसे बेस्ट बात इसका weight ही feel नहीं होता, only 180 gram. Loved how little details in the designs are taken care of. Let's talk about the camera. तो ये फ़ोन 64 मेगापिक्सल प्राइमरी और 32 मेगापिक्सल फ्रंट सेल्फी कैमरा के साथ आता है. We will share the performance and pictures in our detailed review to give you a better idea. So far, I personally love the feel and design of the phone. Ultimate design है, awesome camera है. It's a premium phone in a very fair price bracket. एक चीज़ जो मैं आपको बताना भूल गया वो इसका street photography AI feature है, which is definitely going to help out the hobbyist photographer. इसको हम मज़ीद explore करेंगे in our detailed review. So talking about the phone performance and the battery capacity, ये फ़ोन 65 वाट्स के सुपर फास्ट चार्जर के साथ आता है और इसकी बैटरी 4300 mAh है. I hope you guys like the unboxing. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz, take care.